Hi there, welcome to my channel. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. This is July 5th, I believe, or Monday, and behind me is the Ford tractor, the 3930, and it's hay season, right? So as you can tell, there's a baler getting ready. I greased it up yesterday, and well, I got the spreader on this one, the hay spreader, but there's something wrong with the tractor. It's leaking oil from that differential right there in the joint. Oh, am I in the screen? Am I in the screen? Right there's a joint, and there's the front differential, and there's where I fill up the differential, but it's leaking there, and it's leaking from the lower ball joint here. So I'm guessing there's a seal up here leaking down, and it's ending up on the ball joint. Well, as you know, this is yesterday's tractor. It's a 92, so it's going to take over a week to get some seals for it. So I'm just going to fill her up. So I mowed this 2 or 3 days ago, and it rained. I got caught in the rain. So I'm going to clean this up first before I actually start mowing some more. Like this was done 2 days ago, so I'm going to mix it up and then put it in rows, and I'm going to try to pick it up before I actually start mowing some more, because I don't want to lose it all. Well, I managed to save some of the hay, or most of it. I was caught in a torrential rain there 2 days ago. And as you can see, what I'm doing is putting these on stickers, because it's supposed to rain again, and I got to put a plastic tarp over these things. Over there you can see that the field isn't completed. I'm contemplating, or I'm debating whether I should get somebody over here to mow it for me, because that little mower over there, that Massey Ferguson 135 with the sickle mower by the side of the field, it may still have engine problems. We figured out why it wouldn't fire properly, and it was the relays, the set of relays used to convert the AC to DC from the generator, or the voltage regulator, whatever it is, and or the charging regulator, and Yeah. If it heats up too much, it wants to cut out. So that's got to be the engine. I showed you in a few videos prior that I looked inside with the borescope inside the engine, and there was a few valve seats cracked in the head. So basically that engine should be redone. It can still be redone. You can still get the parts for it. I just don't know if I have the money for it. So I might just hire somebody to come and mow the rest of the fields for me. I don't know. So don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe and wish me luck. Leave comments down below if similar situations happen to you. What should I do, etc. Thank you. Bye.